The major challenge that Liz helped me overcome was my total inexperience with the area of real estate. She guided me step by step through it. She took me by the hand and guided me in getting the mortgage approval, getting the people that needed to review the house, the assessor, etc. She guided me step by step.
And one of the things that I admired of her is the patience that she has with us. This is really, for us, it was so important to find the right place. And she did it. And for me, it's a tremendous quality, the patience that she has with us. I'm so impressed with her professionalism and the way that she took us, like my husband said, with her hands, and she helped us in all this process. And today we are so happy that we signed. Finally we signed, and we are in honors and a beautiful apartment thanks to Liz.
The one thing that stood out in working with Liz was that Liz worked with us. She didn't let us go on our own. She followed us step by step and guided us and really explained the process very nicely. We weren't easy clients. It took us 3 months to finally come to a settling in an apartment, and she didn't complain. She was those 3 months along with us, and I thank her for that.
Me too. This is why I was explaining before. Her patience. Patient for me is like a piece of diamond, and we are so grateful for that. She's so special.
Liz and the Dolls team will work for you like they've worked for me. I mean, I know it because they did it. Today I'm the proud owner of a nice condo apartment thanks to them, and it took a long time for us to settle into this. So they were patient. They stood with us the full process.
I will refer her 100%. She's the best, she's professional, and also her team is awesome. Not only her, Teresa, Colleen, and the lawyers, Angel Baez, the mortgage people, the inspectors. She has everything. Her boutique is something special, and you can count on her. I refer her 100% without any doubt.